Alright, this is Tyson Jackson back with MJ & Co. Quincy, and I am done for the day with the flower bed. This is my grass clippings from edging, and over here, if I can get a good view, is the edged out flower bed. You can kind of see the structure of what I'm going for. In the plants that are planted currently, we actually were able to pull up from one of our flip houses. That's what our company does. It pertains to property development. And so that's a blessing. Sometimes we get plants to replant in our own yard, although I do not know the names of them. But some of them already have buds starting to pop, and they all had roots. There we go. And the bigger ones are all the same plants, but this one's a different one. Also do not know the name of it. And then there's this one, and this one I don't know the name of as well. It has thorns though. And little red buds, and the stems on them are a kind of like a brown red, almost a burgundy at the tips, and then you get lower and then they get kind of like a more fleshy green color. And then something else that we planted that came with that load was some roses. They look fairly good, although the prune job, I did not do that. I actually found it like this. It's growing back, so you can't be mad at that. So I got one there, one back there, and one right here. So as far as visual, the purpose is to block those two pieces with the rose on the back, the one on the side, and then the one on the other side. And then I have the grass in the middle, and then a grass there, and a grass there. So that's more or less the bird garden, the starting point of the bird garden. I'm hoping that it gets a lot more thick and full, and then this will be the trail between for the dogs to walk through. And then the property fence, if you can see that red post right there. Yeah, it's kind of dark on my camera, so I really can't see it. Oh, I see it. It's right there. The fence is going to come from it all the way down to where that fence is. And then it's all going to get painted eventually. But yes, a lot going on, a lot still in store. Just wanted to give the final project, well, not really the final, but the final project for the day as to what has been done. And I'll give you a little sneak peek of the rest of our garden beds and our vegetable garden. It's all coming together. We've been here since July of 2023, and so this is going to be our first full year at our home. A lot of what is being shown was not here. The potting shed was, but we painted it, new doors, things still to come with it as well. But all of our garden beds and our berm wall, all of it, we established ourselves. And yeah, I'll give you a slow kind of picture layover of the land. This is our backyard. This is what we're working with. A lot still to come. Yes. Also, thank you for tuning in and watching and seeing our progress. Very much appreciated.